So I'm starting off with my foundation. I already primed my face prior to this. I'll put the primer and everything that I use down below. So I'm using the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. Sorry if you hear birds in the background. My windows are open. But I haven't been able to put this foundation down. I don't know, it's just one of my favorites right now. And I'm blending it in with my Real Techniques sponge. If you guys know any good foundation that has really good coverage, but it's not too cakey, let me know down below. So to cover my dark circles, I'm using my Becca Under Eye Corrector. Next, I'm taking this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And I used to love this back in the day. And I forgot that I had just bought one like a few months ago. So I just used it because I really want a bright under eye area. And I'm just blending it with my sponge. So I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. And I'm taking this lighter shade and just blending it all over my lid and my inner corner just to brighten up my eyes a little bit more. And I'm just taking this fluffy Morphe brush. It's a pretty large blending brush. I like to use this brush to set my concealer or foundation on my lids. That way it doesn't crease. So I'm just taking my E40 blending brush and I am blending that shadow. This is one of my favorite blending brushes. I love the Sigma E40 and the Sigma E25. Those are like my top two blending brushes. I'll put the link down below if you guys are interested in Sigma brushes because they're just one of my favorites. And as a makeup artist, they are amazing for your kids and they last a long time. So I'm taking a deeper brown color for the outer corners of my eyes and I'm just blending that towards the lid. So for winged liner, I'm using my e.l.f. Show Liner, which I haven't been able to put down. This was like one of my favorite liners, and I'm back at it again with this one because I ran out of the Balm liquid liner, which is another favorite liquid liner of mine. But I am taking this very sharp angled brush that I got at the Michaels store, the arts and crafts store. It was only like $3 or $4. It's one of my favorite brushes to use with gel. So for my eyebrows, I'm just taking this small angled brush by Kylie. And I am taking my Eylure brow powder, which is just a dark brown eyebrow powder. I don't know why these days I just feel like it's easier to fill in my brows with powder. Since I let them grow out a little bit and I just shape them myself, I feel like it's easier just to fill them in with powder. So I'm just taking this mascara by Kiko Milano, just applying it to my upper and lower lashes. And I'm going to apply some of that e.l.f. gel liner to my waterline. For lip gloss, I'm taking this Urban Decay Midnight Cowgirl lip gloss. This lip gloss is so pretty. I love it. It's going to be like one of my favorites this summer. I already know. It's such a beautiful lip gloss and it smells like sweet mint, which is like my favorite. So for my bronzer and contour, I am using the Too Faced Contour Kit with this Morphe angled brush. I'm just bronzing up my face. I love to apply bronzer on my forehead. I just feel like it puts the look together and it really warms up your forehead. And I like to apply some to my jawline, of course. And to really warm up my face, I'm taking MAC Give Me Sun over my contour and just blending it out. So I'm taking this beautiful blush by Ofra Cosmetics in Bellini, and it's just a perfect light baby pink shade. It just adds like a beautiful sheen of pink, and it does have like a glow to it, which is amazing, and it's gonna be perfect for spring. And I'm taking these eyelashes by Eylure, and I'm just popping these on. And for my highlight, I've been so obsessed with this Dose of Colors, the highlight in Fuego. And I'm just going to set my makeup. And that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.